Well, sounds like it could be a rather wild evening, Kevin.
Yeah, that's right. Prospects here for high winds, large hail, flooding is a possibility. We've got a lot of moisture in the atmosphere and even a chance for some isolated tornadoes. Now for the next couple of hours, I don't foresee a significant chance of this, but it is a possibility as these storms continue to form, and they no doubt are here in South Dakota, into south central North Dakota. Lots of lightning with these. I'll turn that off here. And again, we can see these storms advancing from South Dakota through North Dakota, Sioux County. Again, Morton County, now approaching Burleigh County as well. We've got thunderstorms non-severe just south of Bismarck, Mandan, holding on to that severe thunderstorm warning, though, for Sioux County until 6:30. But again, might see a new warning. It's hard to say. That's determined by the Weather Service here. But again, we're seeing some rather very heavy rain here in Morton County, just to the west of Fort Rice. And again, one thunderstorm now approaching the south side of Bismarck here. A lot of lightning just south of that. But let's see how it looks here. Again, that one storm just south of town, rather stark rain shaft here. And this could include some hail as well. Despite surface temperatures away from the thunderstorms still in the 90s at the airport, 93 degrees. It's going to cool off rapidly over the next 20 minutes or so. But again, lightning, and we've got the potential for some hail. So if you're in the Bismarck-Mandan area, just stay weather aware and just know hail is a real possibility, maybe upwards of 2 inches in diameter. We're all seeing this thanks to a convergence zone, or the wind shift here. We got south winds on the east side of this line of thunderstorms. We have northwesterly winds on the west side of this boundary. So it's providing a lift in the atmosphere, that disturbance, and that's why these showers and storms are forming. And again, dealing with a lot of atmospheric moisture to go with that. So severe thunderstorm watch here. Greatest instability over central, south, and North Dakota for tonight. No severe weather threat this evening back through Montana or the rest of western North Dakota or South Dakota, but there is a chance with a rather strong disturbance coming out of Wyoming later on tonight. That'll move into southwest North Dakota, and chances for severe after midnight will be on the increase. But for this evening, there's a marginal risk for flash flood producing thunderstorms. If anything, might be upping this a little bit here along and south of I-94 the next couple of hours. And then overnight with round number 2, knowing that round number 1 may have already saturated the ground, these storms next couple of hours. The second round later tonight coming in after midnight, that could actually have a higher probability of giving us some flash flood producing rains right through about the noon hour on Wednesday. Dew points, it's a soupy atmosphere. 67-degree dew point right now in Bismarck, 68 in Garrison. That means that air you can wear factor is high. It's like you can slice that air with a knife. Look at the temp contrast, though. We've got 78 degrees in Garrison, but still 93 in Bismarck. It was 100 in Grand Forks a short while ago. Now 98, 96 in Jamestown. So the severe weather on that boundary, again, the wind shift and that temperature, stark temperature contrast here over central North Dakota. Sky Tracker double radar future forecast here. And again, thunderstorms up and down south central toward north central North Dakota. More coming in from north central South Dakota. And then another wave on the way later on tonight, approaching Montana, Wyoming, western South Dakota into western North Dakota as we continue through the Wednesday morning time frame. Quick check of the 7-day. Just know it won't be as hot, and it's going to be stormy with many chances for rain, 2 to 3 inches on average over central and southern North Dakota, around an inch closer to Williston and Minot.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.